In this episode, the team revives a pristine 1960s Fiat 600 by stripping weight and adding a compact mid-engine Roadster layout. They reveal the challenge of fitting a modern turbo into the tiny bay and crafting a custom chassis. The build features carbon panels, a paddle door system, and a turbo boost that pushes the car beyond its limits. Heat management and safety reinforcements are perfected through track tests that validate every design choice. The final reveal shows blistering acceleration, nimble handling, and the satisfaction of turning a forgotten classic into a road-going hypercar.